Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in sterling metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the 2023 Sierra, starting your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated driving and trailer mode, automatic headlights and fog lights, controls for your heads-up display, heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifters in the center console, integrated trailer braking control in the center console as well, Bose audio all around the truck, and the rear view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with your 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, paint matched door handles. This vehicle has keyless entry. AT4 badge on the bottom of the door. LED strip on the mirror. 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the fender. Making our way around the front of the vehicle, black chrome grille, red recovery hooks, AT4 badge in the grille as well. LED daytime running lights and headlights. And making our way back down the side of the vehicle, this vehicle is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out accents. And making our way around the back of the truck, chrome Sierra and AT4 badge, chrome exhaust tips, rear towing package, and GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with your in-seat storage. These seats are car seat ready. They also come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the center. Bose audio continues in the back of the vehicle. In your center console, you have the controls for your heated leather seats and dual USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.